Today I'm going to show you how to use my carbide scrapers. So this one is the 2.5 inch, and then I have a 1 inch one. They come with blades already loaded, but you can also buy additional blades as well. Let me show you first how to actually use them, and then we'll talk about all the accessories. This is a pretty thin finish, so the big thing with this is you want to make sure that you're not tilting the blade because it can cause gouges. So make sure that you put some pressure here, keep it even, and just pull back. And you can see I'm getting all the way down to raw with minimal pressure. Trying to keep it straight so I don't gouge the wood.
You can go ahead and take off the blade with a screwdriver, and you'll notice that the blades are two-sided. So if one side gets dull, then you can just flip it over and start using the other side. You can see since I use mine with stripper, it gets really gunky. So I do have to take it off quite a bit and clean it. But once you've used both sides, you need to go ahead and either sharpen it or replace them. So I found this really cool sharpener that has lots of different grits on it. So this particular one, the silver one, is specifically for metal. So you're going to go ahead and just spritz it with some water, and you're going to take the blade and you're going to just rub it on it. And that is going to sharpen that blade, flatten out any of those areas and make it really sharp and like brand new. Then once you clean it off, you can just simply put it back in your carbide scraper and you're ready to go again. And you can see after sharpening it, it is really a fast process to get this finish off. For small areas, I like to use the 1 inch pocket scraper. So you can see on the edge, it's really easy to use. And then if you have very small, tight spaces, like this corner in a cabinet, it's just really easy to get in there. Now they come in different sizes. They have like a teardrop one, and then the triangle one comes with it. So you can change out your blades. It does come with a little pocket holder that you can keep it in, because it is sharp. You have to be really careful on the edges. I try not to pull the carbide scraper off the edge because honestly, I've torn some veneer doing that. So you can see I'm starting at the very edge and I'm pulling towards the center of the dresser. And it was a really great technique to get in where I need to get in, but I'm not damaging the veneer. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put all of the links in the comments, but thanks so much for watching.